Second time heba meshade and I just say what wadi. A boy ma wadidi a diane no te ba ku mienu na wanuma to eno nso so bomodena so benya time heba Mr. Bodley Pace. Na time heba Mr. na kanoga fo hu se da bi. Obu onu ma ohia se ono nso so ye bema odwunso a otimso otimi dwunso ye no urinary retention. Afa immune system support so ena afa empaso agudie nti o ma ye time HH mixture and capsules abeka ho tunya time heba mixture na time HH mixture and capsules oh you are good to go bobodena frey was 0244 417669 0244 417669. Christmas came early. It is all about the Golden Dew Hotel, the big party and the party for all. Activities in the Shasi on the 14th of December. And then 8th, it's the 14th December, no, a all white party. Then Nyagro Golden Dew in Carrier. Sounds also on the 16th December, a carnival and a pit party. Now, Bouncy Castle will start the 23rd to 1st January. From Kuala Kono Munko Dia Grow no Pam. Now Christmas, you also win out kakra. Afei on the 26th, and no a Boxing Day. Yeah, African wear buffet. Buffet no diane no the obedu bia out here. The obedie bia. Then your friend buffet. Not live band sutia to. Afei the biggest fest 28 December no. Ena kwaku smoke eba last meet eno for rampos and a live band theater no enya agro 28 December na ye nyina ye hiem na 30th no ye the fireworks no aka ho eba Golden Dew Hotel en Kawie ye ne national insurance officer won Kawie di hwanimu obi esiesie no se bronya de ye di no Golden Dew friend 0543 553 793 0543 553 793. Ye chiri yesi ane ye the Yaw toothpaste. E wo mu ahodo miensa Total Care toothpaste. E ma wo se ho ye den. E ma ntokro ma wo sim. E ma wo sim pro. Afei whitening toothpaste me ma wo sim abofita. Na afei herbal toothpaste no so aye den. Ama wo sim ho aye den. Ye wo toothbrush ye friend the princess, monarch, duke, duchess. E ye papa bristles kama. De den de emre. Ni nyina kabom. E ma Yaw toothpaste, Yaw toothbrush di mu. Frey 0302 223 5296. Open do support to 0302 235 9296 235 296. Dimpa Natural Health. Dimpa bawon kayo say a stomach ulcer there last stop. Heart related challenges to say akomaya de nom ne ade ye beboa awo ene say obema ye atofom e won paso wo ba ye atofom on paso ba bi wa timkeja usoni mu a won tiatinka bia da bi sesia de ye da so e wo second floor Wallace Towers shene so second floor Wallace Towers e ho na e wo na nyame ya adoma January 4th January ye koye dankesia ye bia no e wo ye Kenya se Kumasi Kenya se Bosore kwa no so hono akunyasi Kenya se hono e na obehu ye eye Bosore hono area hono dan de si wo fe na ubo rema abo say yes Dimpa clinic nyame ehirae wode akoyanim na hono de diagnostic machines ahodo nyina da and now out to say yes waba you be 2 horses yawa you be 2 yarwa hudo nyina 4 January Dimpa building Kumasi Kenya se Bosore after Bosore junction no bra na your billboard see who be direct or the call no person freya 0245 118 434 0245 118 434 and 0246 744 744 St. Andrews SHS a bad senior high school pop there so what we wasi and now or 2 subjects be wa fairly and now control ba could be anye would never mind. Come, we will enroll you take you through all the other exams. I'm what chat no what masa kosuku no ye asim for suman kasim do gono fe se hia sanwene so ni odubiase ubehu yen ewo honomo general science, business, home economics, visual arts and agriculture science. You were excellent boarding facilities now ba now be share yen honomo and your FM station tetem kwala no ye kire omo talent ahodo basketball. Admission for SHS 1 2 3 you go so St. Andrews SHS 0244 69 69 11 0244 69 69 11 0207 89 1004 0207 89 1004 St. Andrews SHS. Is that Brantia match today at 50? And y'all grow. Yeah, ready. I did say, baby, I'm there now. Me there, you know. Huh? Oh. Yeah, some
Sompa FM.
Okay. Yeah. Oh. Huh? Bobby, yeah, Bobby.
Oh my God!
Who the hell are you?
Hey. Yeah, Grace.
Eyes.
Mama, you ma baby, yeah, we you out of Sarah, who you most a deal. Yeah, Grace, why we are seeing pay? Eh, dear, no. We are celebrating the man Abrantia much today. 50 good years in music, and I can tell you, on that day, Enyagro is old school and new school. Abrantia much today. Abrantia much today. Ena yedi jumedie no ehyehyɛ so ewo Micklin Hotel. 28th of December. Yage bomb inspector no pay ana krokro me. Inspector. Old school and new school. Nani say, Nana champon ba. Usunami yo. Anke bede na yo ya. Anke bede na kwabra. Oyonko amini wu koko si atafre. Oh. Me de. Oya mi ra ya lady no de namu. Now he back see. Ya de odasha see.
Sompa FM.
Oma yemfa. Obi enya bia na obi aka bia mame. Odon kwa basa ne. Obi ya na family susu na mechire. Na samini ya ga yo. Kire se. Nyame ya adoma 28. Oh. Se odo ye uda ma bio. Oh, my God, Jam said, also my Bobby Tamau. My Bobby Tamau. Okay. Yando.
Omanhene Yaw Boakye.
Usain is still our enter appearance.
Omanhene facho unu aketwa na baby o pia mi akoshe na no dey.
Amian and Pia Okoshe Oba, you have to enter appearance. You know that. And just our contempt of Chiwa. When contempt of court catches up with you, you are in danger.
I've seen a real size.
Now what to say?
Yes, you are doing them on Bible.
NSS to lock registration system on Friday with 50% of personnel yet to report. Man for Yamashiwamo, Deputy Director General warns. Ade more positive woman or Musu Munkwa na say the pastor Chere Mukakra.
Oh, Omanhene Yaw Boakye, my men shall know a tear for more Sompa and Nanope. Omanhene sabi menu bi nu de ayekumasi de yenketwi pa emuda ho.
That's right.
Sabi yenka no krenchire damfo. Ensu so fun a yesu so kwam kwache so na amana wie san 7 no.
No cre.
enu bi na etiesi ye mofra no mu because ya so nkola yi so from SHS saa masabi odi nsemfo kora na opija aba yes ye mba akola aba on masuku onye prep onye test ye man homework kora onye ofili kora yes hwe no repeat no piano no famu saa na mpa ye piano no
onya o service
ye na obey your service
na time no do so a I can't just say one your service
yes because you find the dim bia mbama ye be say ye nkola no national service no Omanhene yes chance ye bepe monne enye service of convenience.
It has never been.
Only people are the only people are say ye be makwan aye repost na mo e yo mo a makọ baabi ti say gapo ha say ti say omo say hwa ye ma MPA TVLA all those places are choke.
Those places are juicy.
So aho nyina aye ma
how contaba be buabo
anti bebi aye ye ma no kwa ombe ma okrata say ha ye ma nti fa come national service near repost you.
Okay,
those are the only considerations for reposting. Apart from Oma baby the letter abase kwaye ma any sabi nursing mothers are Oma ofofro any avia disabled for baby no. This apart from these three categories.
No, you are attached a human face.
No, that is the criteria.
Okay. That's I also am consider omo.
Yes, because no ye na na koho.
Okay.
And you say kwaye ma. It's almost had your breya. Ya su die say sape baby for from
me can be a nursing mother. Don't want to be state say or a nursing mother.
No, you see, your forms also no. There is no you for pregnancy.
That's right.
A nursing mother kwa. Until by then, they couldn't choose nursing mother.
You know him.
No, and
then the post by wow.
So those are the ones we consider.
Matthias.
Apart from that, media system locked to all forms of movements.
There's a by this Wednesday, close midnight. Uncle report here. Consider yourself out.
And they shutting the whole system down to any form of validation.
There's a bosom so 1,002 no abuabo.
Omanhene say ye nyan tumu ntia so 715 na.
Some artists say someone they call 1,002.
Ye piasa komo fan koma but I say budget we need to capture.
Oh, omonye nam capture me
so
some mama for
we are still pushing.
Okay, mum pushy why? All right, Fuseni, I think this is a very vital information to our national service personnel. So what time as soon say Koyel service they've given you a grace period today, tomorrow, and the next. Please, Conoco register. Because this time around, one key criteria for employment is a national service certificate. So wouldn't be a yenye fake mao.
So when I send it here, my
and do say what we now pay Jumania Sekofa National Service minim Nipebia. They had to go and do service before Mukonya Juma. They thought it was a joke. They left after time on your appointment, Or yeah, BBA and almost say one thing is missing, the national service certificate. I feel na samatono.
Why only ministers need even some Supreme Court justices are omuyi so certificate here. A good year, the only medical ever patch or every PSC certificate.
Can you imagine?
And
yes,
I say,
an appointment,
but certificate. Oh, and 1,000 pay.
Oh, 1,000, sir. All right, what say? Don't come and say, I no pay.
Why you must be that in a Kenya with your mom?
National service for no. Konokoyo service. Because Mr. Nimnipe be a very juicy appointment. Ewa bemu. You can't just go national service, bra. On the one you. You can't be so job certificate. chesi certificate for be 1 month and sign omuti kakra bi appointment bo wo mo e ba say ya umu national
Sompa FM.
national services certificate ma laminating on that ho yeah maybe call the twice you mo na we a year A level a obey and so na we university awasa ye no me A level me nye O level SHS nkwala de bia o system ye join the old system anymore that is it lawyer kwabra ntwikati amoachi makwaba now pom to say what's so way na mame bibi aboko okay ye hwe ni mu say honorable Akweko Frimpong former DC such a central subabe cancer anopen komodie no yetiawa omopani John Mama say or launching the friend agricultural school agricultural program to boost food security. Now say tertiary any senior high school for nyina for mu shem so betima akoye kua officer Ade papa akoye kua say the beya kua no betima ede edimu na ebio so parliament so omoton sa fresh special prosecutor Martin Kwebu's detention na eno and I listened to Kojo Ponkroma and I think it was fantastic. I don't know, people even felt say why embarrassing the majority chief whip and Dafia Mapo because the way Dafia Mapo sorry ya not all kasa no tiemu say you detain Martin Kwebu ni ade Kojo Ponkroma sorry no say oh koto de ne bodwe etu ayonko ho etu aduam na many of the institutions are weaponizing bail. Lawyer Wahidie. Many institutions, ever since NDC came to power, IOCO, NIB, and other things, they put some hudious and certain huge amount of bail bond. Say Fabra, Martin Pebu yaso no anko fa bail mra bond bail condition the war no ani dimu. Lawyer we yatibida. So wa akofa documenta wa udi mubra with 2 sureties. How? All because nipa na be challenge o. Also a one-man person obviously to say you be you free ho. People are calling for the office of the prosecutor to be even scrapped because it has outlived its youthfulness. And a nipa mienu ya di jumedi ensha o monsa nyina asoso no. Aso muntumi nya ne esa be ma o man no kra nya mfaso e wo so sikatwitwi de ne atwama o mo abeya nyom to ankwanoma ene kasa bebre. So the bottom line is, what is the usefulness of the office of the special prosecutor? Appear parliament lawyer mamintio and semi mienu edi kan, especially starting from the office of the special prosecutor. Since you're a lawyer, we can go into detail on the issue. What are mamintio anope
much for na my chairman in opinion Kwame MP or BBN Sunset Financial Services.
Okay.
On my baby ya nija and no be more money ya and more money.
Okay.
On my be also corruption on my be corruption. And he said corruption about money na say a man for the person mutu asia. Na say nya independent body bia obebuana wa buana corruption no. Etmetu asia say na bia Oman business kada bon because oman bia corruption bia afi bia ska oman lose to corruption no na nye ska ketwa entem say no na oman panin dada ko fado tenant no hu say no even though article 88 my own kwan say nyi attorney general and minister of justice, but I say no government appointed the office nti ana edin say oman panin na yi wa obe say bia nko for ebony obetimi aka akoye abashe bone bibisa and say dey the empower office bia be independent na say corruption na bibisa akoswa na aye aboa unse Ghana aye yoko ne charge mo na dade wa am but ne ye pe obi a oni de na man it be corruption ko anto no be special prosecutor na say one of boa corruption and corruption related offenses ko and create office na ye bo honka o man na bo honka pa but bonife be cost benefit analysis.
That's right.
So yeah, I'm say kai bo office no ne mfaso enya no I'm say kama say okra is kana enyunufa na ya so ache be corruption na kasa kra efriba nipa menu na the office we ba na enya security of 7 years there dia obetra omampanyi bi 10 of office na be ya say na mamfo bi na say security of 10 na ho ntino So Mampany no kofo because na e di dwuma na bibisa obenya kokodro because the office is there to stop some of those things. Obenya kokodro now there charges ankofo na wa prosecute omo say na be a di ehu be share omo maka nsem etribness anomanoma but I'm say office we buy no nipa mienu na aba Martin Amidu on the now complaining about logistics no manoma which those times na meeting see because the office was new the adibia na chance ya ranka emunye din but emre ko na emre eche nanka mistakes na ewum no nanka correct say na be ya ebetimi anya the perfect system ayepe but I on one kasa resign na Omanhene Kufo and so appointed
this year alone Parliament has approved 158 million 936 456 for the office of the special 158 million Ghana cedis.
And I that's why I recover this year so you say.
This I recover baby.
Entra make say so here Omanhene
158 million a year charge commando for 2026.
Omanhene that Akufo-Addo appointed officer or catch of better of an authority office of the special prosecutor. You anije ba kro mu na chese Ghana for no ya command jo so say corruption e be koso but office yi hun sem bebre e ka 158 million Ghana cedis na say affinity me anya scale bro sa na ekwaya na say
yes
because corruption there sometimes no ye de ani hu ehu bi de otua ne de ogi nyina offense ana o kona so ni evidence so court to the court to evidence Entiana na mana akọ ne kana akọ identical special prosecutor office na Ghana for na wa regime say ko mbra na nka meboa but ono so ba na ne na na akọ enwum to echina ma resign echina say on chede hu adwuma porte omo ye this is also the frame Martin Pebu say omna OSP na so ma be na no a I majority now parliament omo ntia say ya frame no sometimes some of these things are very, very unfortunate obi hu awon ntia say ana say the judge here akoka no I say all any master equal but some more equal than others and my farm judge say no be no mo in Ghana ha na equality before the law na nya adwuma bi mu ana me kai say I catch Paul Admoche say onfa landed property in his name umra na Paul Kato oni bi but people better TV3 catch Ghana nyina say on jin di say Paul Admoche oni landed property
will be pa
onko famra o de nu so fa de bra de a o de also nti bi da o do also nti bi da koto de ne bodwe so and now OSP so buy so ade ba kwa problem ba kwa me so be say bill o he Ghana mramu a section 96(3) of the Act 30 you see bill and punishment bill should not be used as a form of punishment to punish anybody and say the panel of balance of certify bill conditions na court and so man kwan no kofi na da o here no aba because alikunti an ka say ma bill ni say obi o ha na ne ho tro uja na so kwa aha ohun ni biem say nipa na ba no the guarantors ba the friend sureties no odo mo ba no be jam man so adase so mo hweme a meba ananse ma hweme kura mo ko busa ko fo eno anu no ba se ana enu ma ka so mo famra wunti mu bill ni sa no manu no seriously ana anodi ojo ha wonti ase but em say the abano no nti say eba so obi so ba no so beto aso amenye so say obi be kan wasem because ya defina ba na yedi because okaso obi ko na landed property to sureties na skasi na
and for you see the bill being weaponized
exactly say I'm not saying for bill punish but no conditions in the man say ya ma bill ni kura nke but bill dey be man but you be make sure the conditions say touch no you can't satisfy them na say ya ma bill ni kura because okaso obi ko for landed property in his name
landed property na chere say
as a building an assassin
nyema move team faako
filling station bi
edan bi assassin
sanu man ade a move anyi
bo okra say within the catchment area of Accra
anti fa say bia ufri ya bibi ni na call ya
na wo nsase obi bia ni kra ye mpe
doesn't qualify
ye enkrande
ye ne said ye be ya untimi enya bi ma na say aka say we amani bail no want to satisfy conditions nti na odam
because me Kaiser Eros SCB na what them for almost 3 weeks or 1 month
yes
won to me scandal NSS scandal around so DM say 1 week or so Duboahen so di be 1 week or so I say it's like it has been continuous
on the mind ohuma obi obi say identical na obi di bone ese echi no ya chini pa for some reasons say na ebe ani pa no sa boni na wadi no onya kwan di sa boni ne biem in that for the time being na ebe na semu and another reason so ya chief ni say na ebe ya nipa na ampa say bi okokun bi nipa na okun abusu afo so nkodi sa nipa ne boni
okay
so that intina odi boni kwa so okun nipa kwa say ya pe wachewa and am mob justice bi ba odi emeka ko police station na ho no
you go bo ho ban
Sompa FM.
ese nipa ne etimi ba be ka say oh because of say ni sete munja me na say eda no so a me back court na ade no so what the most important thing here I am my business nipa na bia eda ye na say be na say hwe na ne hu no say say nipa tim ba no be justify say because of ABCD ntino eda ye be ma bill ye be frame court no me ba say me kwa na munjimi ndia me sureties nie me papa nie me maame nie ana say nipa bi na ni mo
edi adanse
say nipa no mama no kona da ye na be frame na ese court no man kwa say na man kire na article 90 section 96(3) of Act 30 say yemfa bill empanish obia
but the see the minority no kasa nyina ache say ye the bail no ACC wo mo nkrofo
say no any say mo kan obi atimi hu they are acting with impunity and without any regard to the laws of the land because the man say yemfa bail empanish into kasa mo fa sa no man so mo fa now person what say why are you demanding those you kasa chichiri mu how did you even arrive at those conditions now or the can bill no how did you even get there and then I would do ho ubo trim mathematics ben away I could do because it's not arbitrary. And so the arbitrary discretion no. Article 296 of the Constitution HA says so who you should discretion cry. It shouldn't be capricious in those things. They are there. It's a mobile base and no. Then what are you telling Ghanaians? And because power change hands and I say reset in Ibino. Tie no ma yenye no man say the be am na beda ne kwam na the be say bia na china we di na wan ka se na yi pola no mo chere de bae okatese free fire chi no chema wontumi adenta kunmu na achi sa kwan na na de o mo fa so a it doesn't help yi na ma na epe ni yi se nipa na e bone na o jeli na hwan na be ka se benjeli nipa na o jeli kwa appeal e ho what I say nti man de o man bia nti so man chere say yemfa bail in pension na also de reset into the bail be punish then so be it aban bia no about Nebuchadnezzar mambo say egu ti do mo ye no mo hwe ni yi because bia a time everything is just a matter of time in first all your phones are not here there.
What do you make of Kwesi Agyaben as it stands now, because he is now battling for the post? The NDC Martin Pebuas Mekoba nyina say or say office he's not fit for purpose. Emra so say omfiri ho and I say omo scrappy OSP no kra ba Martin Pebu there or say fosu I say Kwesi Agyaben the ne bi a wa ye bi adi adanse say omfata sa tumi e dia hye ne say
I'm say the reason back on mine say Kwesi Agyaben no nim say ofreta kwa oma but oma ne kwa ma ne koy
very good
and this ofreta case no akoy nsimpi na sa
akoy sa so osheda
I the room of the crashes almost called Jesus can be 40,000 USD
Sompa FM
and son of man a call and the rumor I can't justify
it stands to become
and some amount can but and yeah idea a bit me that as it was canceling there but office na make say unsem the capital say scarcity office at me recover since I Kwesi Agyaben back from nanado time e be sine so on the recover is be na say carry near body and then me who say ehun yes because I boss aka because e boka no and enya results every mu dia and the Ghana ni bia na me be ya adwen say e say koso na boss aka no but ye boka no na corruption ne koso na yintimi nche obi a amfa ne nkojina court kwa ne kase court kwa di na me agya no na da bia akwa fa we bra
is it about the personality or the office no na office because now it's Kwesi Agyaben first it was Kaiser Martin Amedu office no na yenyin free ho ana say nipa na o man office no na wo me no nyina di o man hwambo
me de me nye ntum say yenyin office ni free ho
okay
me madwin de office set na ho Martin Amedu time no can be say logistics inside no man na acquire challenge amano nti my question is from that time till now improvement be am my
abapa Kwesi Agyaben is not complaining
and so on complaining I didn't results ma meaning
so then we could be the person
that is what I'm coming to it's the person me I don't believe in scrapping the office
okay
I believe in the changing the personnel there because waba that's what on performer why should the person still be there even though he has security of tenure but if he's not performing said buy want me for be akra
as a chief justice square in every
yes ultimate do be court and then say nipa na court say jail no but at least for
Sompa
me
FM.
ni year adwuma na nipa na ye no koy no nipa na hu na asem kama but yenya le fa obi ankoy ya ho na wate no mo media nim na wakoda na mo fa we mra na ya charge we na I mean no man does say Martin the end na me say office bi a sha sia na problems wo ti we time no na nke so office problems no and then ye we to ha anyi and then fan to ha e chena fa we to ha e chena na ye hu say bebe sha ti free no ye koy anim sa na chechire o man bia
okay
wonti me nyani na te go and with time as one kato ti fi kwa kotena ma me fa flower we nsia e chena da bi ma me fa we nsia na woni be ba on sa fe na da mu Ghana ha yemfa ntia da kofo woni be ma na wodan no why na kama but with the time ne cost no africa na problems no more and I nye kwa institutions bebre we be say free SHS buy health insurance mu na ma panyin kofo na adade amode buy nkan fitase na nka problems wo ye gitum sa but with time no na nka solve sa problems no na nka ade ne be better and perfect ti with time was a jabran but ye Ghana de enoma code anim no na essay me kai pass e mri be atwam Ghana be ba ko national service no ehwa na ya fa wadwuma ba ne ede na no masetan e ko nanim no na essay mika university for na mo maduane edi e ko nanim no na essay adentene nkwan ma de bibia ko nanim na essay that is something we should have a national debate about
okay
say be o man ni
that's it lawyer get ya me that's mama call honorable Akye from Ponho on the issue of the special prosecutor omo a friend is omra mrashebe fie ene ni suban ene ni ya odanedi whether the office deserves to be in our books or we need to scrap it. Honorable Boakye.
Yeah, me dey Omanhene.
Ano pe ma meet you.
Yo, me first akwanya yeso na machia Sompa atifo ne ahwefo nyina. Enkanka won a ya omutie no mo hwe yen e free. Nsuta kwa man bi poso ene inkrase ne nyina. Na omo hia omo nua akuoku a omo se akuoku yi sizie. Afi mi hia menu akuma branti woye me baba ko me for born ne coursemate and an classmate e wo law school je kumwa me wo no sa na me de no 2 year e na ninu ya no me se Jessica me de me nim se Jessica
Jessica na to
David nyam na bi Jessica na to no ninu ya no
oh okay
ninu ya no no mo pebro fudin no mo de
Sompa FM
right na me hu no na makai hu se enra and the year anniversary ye to aba 1 year ni ye to aba ti anniversary menka ho asem kakra na ne classmate aye me ba ayekumwa aye Jessica no lawyer Jessica no election day ye bro no nti anope enra o kai me wo say da unim se enne 1 year ni ye bro me a anka nyame amwa na anka wampie ho kra anka ida so mbele nche me ana asenka omo ebebo medeja ewo yenkuro no baako so badade baako a ya ema me kache ne sasem no kura wonye mu se o police station se me duru ho a ya me ka se me ba no se pe no nipa no ano mo attack ne nyina no obujaye nsuta beposo nti me krokro na afini sasem no wonya amanenka na begiri se afi asun ebi obeja amanaka na ni nyina na yesua bibi free mu because on election day no me kai se me hie nipa bi a no mo ye past government let me say officials na police for ni di o mo chi na police me ka bibia na obi antie but results no sha se ba no mo adi set no na mimi mom e no mo ba bi di mechi ni nyina ye lessons a yeah esusi esua right na ohun say election day na abai bi na wo so na me ka say me ba lawyer one fofie bi onso na we say we so ni fofie o mo bro no papa so ati ase but abra ya yeto abawie ye no sa nipa na omobro no na afi na omopa ba bia fa ni nyina no e ya desua na afi yemra special prosecutor nensem no so special prosecutor abra ya post no ana say office no ye establish ye no na enipa bebre wo mo arehye mo ka eso mampani na nado no nam o see Martin on the friend Martin will bite very soon so kaya Omanhene okay pa Martin will bite very soon enti wo kana sa na obi anim say Martin wo be ya dwuma pa office of the special prosecutor no e be ya dwuma pa honestly enipa bebre omo expectation no about the office of the special prosecutor no a free martinami breso ebesi kisiye jabe breso no em say ekofom omo ntimi amiti expectation no because say mekura list bi by abra ya ye free abai so no ye free abai mu no list bi by ya na me di kan ho say omo ya enche special prosecutor ebeso omo no na me list na me ka ho bi na my idea or my me da bia me kan say me say aboa o say de onam no sa na oda me de na nya de na me suro ho but papa bi ya or ye former minister ya o free me district ho the man breso what the list no SND me emprensa first one man ka hwe second one na because so oh mahu third one na me ya madwene say ade some maka che no say list no mahu no na me ntimi hu ni enti a da bia list no de send me emprensa no se o peso mi hunu se me hu asem oba na me mpe ba bi nwane ana se ede yi na me ntimi hu nti se papa no o tie me a listen no de send me prince na me kasi asem so se special prosecutor se si ya special prosecutor nso se na asa manfo ye hunu hwe papa yi efi so oba ye bre bi o ho a me gidi se senka wo de report bi ba so oba ye no successful prosecution se nipa otimi di wo mo court a yeah what me a prosecute omo successfully no and as we do omo court omo asem no abo omo no eye se kura ampa abranti yi eye me ankasa me nua keto yi senso me offer si wo kasa no no ka bibi se sika se kura na papa yi wo baaye anase office no baaye timi agye wo hwe e ka ye bo omo ho eni sika ye omo timi agye man ya wo de tutu ho a eye ya na eye question sese e bi so Omanhene because ye nyina ye sika na ye de tuya sa aka no na ye nhwe se o mbetumi ya adwuma nsa na ye fata na kisi agya ben ne hu won nsem bebre hu se sisi la brother pa nsem no ba ye se de no ye se de no ye ni enim so enche se mami sisi la brother pa wa na mu ade beka swa afa duru bebre no so ensem no kura mehwe mu no me hu bibia ye wo mu de chata basa na gidi aya edipa wo mu no na abambu aye dey abam na fei Martin Pebu wo ka bibi efa kanoforiata ho kanoforiata wo nim sensembo no ho ye di asemba 2023 ansa na ye beto aba wo asem no nim mu nyina afei what na man ko okɔ wie na fei na wo ye press conferences ti said dia fei dia wa ho ɔden aba ya wo be ye bibia masa nen ekire ya wo kɔ kɔfa na fra brochi aba no ne ade
you say I interpol yi danger na
me say wo ye sa ni nyina ade na me ka na say me dey drama
much ado about nothing
that about nothing enkosi hwe na me dey me nim say enkosi hwe
aso ye bibi ba nkrofo
wo se wo so ye bibi won so kasa na wo so no obia wo kasa bia
wo so ye fe na nkwanoma
ai ngwagwa no ma
banum si atwe wo
pe afi no ade aye no to
anume
ankwa no ma
memre so ana mi ko
na mi ko
ana Martin Pebu si ni braso to ko
omo na wutimi nya me say Omanhene me say obia ya wo kasa wo so no bia me nyi sa nipa ni
ta ho
ai wo kasa no wo so
no kasa you don't
ai no ye say sa nipa no me nyi o me ni kura
oya mo agide o kana di ba
ai o be so gidi o be so hu say wo ya she man
so oboa
FM
so ma ai kisi aja be wo kasa no wo so no chacha no ko say nipa bi o mti sa bia no mani nyi o mo
oboa
onka hu enti se sia no me de se o mbe fe no mo mfre no na nsa bi o ha won kyerɛ mu enkanka kind of riata de se de ye ya wo nsam de beto wanim ne wa anka ho hwe na sem a ya o ka ye kura ye ma werɛ ho ne se office de no de me impress me kura.
Thank you very much mami kolo yanketia ona yem share but let me introduce the issue of the NDC majority
Sompa
of NDC sympathizers and supporters say MPP should not bring Baumia. Info analytics.
So, oh, you're a lawyer. You are trained. Your fidelity should be to the laws of the land.
Yeah.
And any person. And the Kisiabe said, "In your pone Gabi said, no, Kenya." And it doesn't make any difference.
It shouldn't be.
Because maybe Poland, not our president in prime minister, no, my identical twins. So who will mind come? I don't think that should make any difference. Your fidelity should be to the laws of the land.
But you know here it is not like that.
I can see so as I am saying I'm for Bajon Koba, I'm for agency so. Or say ohun say ofurata kwa oma but wanyamwa na say he's trying to denigrate state institutions so omamwa no ono de
how
so omamwa no
okay e dey mwa no ko pay ya wa
so omamwa no
no but dem can say me pacho lo yangetia say e was some ye bibi ma now ka so Omanhene amwa me the first question is say e dey mwa na now pay free Omanhene one farmer
so no person say enye ono ne fault na ma ofurata free Ghana na or the bibia ko say into her immigration service for state institution you could be any police now. He's trying to denigrate them. So this one
o make attempt so omonche no omanche
no.
So baby also enyamwa.
Emwa ben.
Enti say any say friend no.
No be cheche mu akra no pa wanya.
Enti na make say won ko na san nsem ni nyina won ko yi.
Yes.
Me tranka say A na say B. But I say friend no. No ankasa ba. Be say na me pemwa. Since na me call we na me call no.
We na me call come we were.
We ko immigration ho wan free. Bia na ho wan free.
Na hu sampa. Ade no.
O ye kan no kura. Want to be ko gina TV so no on kasa won so no nya won fa no hu ni.
E be dey say adwuma.
Yem share the issue of majority of NDC supporters says MPP should not elect Baumia. Now same way there. Kasan Kayura Professor Mills do fear us.
Mr. I
Now but we connect and say
me I serve the realm. Me NPP ni.
Okay.
My kind of platform be say you to about me to be. Me or them to man. But me call by bia me NPP ni. Me opponent nye NPP ni. Me opponent here.
NDC.
Mr. Kwako here. Ona me nya na betwe to akonya amana CCC fo. Embebu kura mfa me. Embebu kura mfa me. Interesting. Enti no me opponent nye NPP ni.
Okay.
And say connected do say by me o.
Inya you ba ko say duchumo.
Ade obia with fantastic ideas. Me them say obia be
Sompa FM.
Okay. So me I serve the realm.
Okay.
The better abai be no 31st January bia no.
O den be so.
Ne hona me wo. But yen koto abai no. De bia me preach say ye ma to bia na kro ye mra. Omampani kofo dada kofo kwa de bia to say MPP be ko na nima. Unity. A house that is divided amongst itself cannot stand.
Yeah.
Me NPP ni eno ano it stops right there. Me NPP ni. The party ni be ni bia. Me fan say na me se me wona na ado. Asem kan wona na ado anana mo omampani kofo. Sisi ame wo he. Omampani kofo so oni hobiem. Na na ado ni hobiem. Sisi ame wo he.
Eza wonya bi.
Ana obi when this no so Rollins. Is a Rollins wo he.
Oko.
Enti sia obe wo he fa. Afina kopa bi. Enti party ni na esum no. Branches in there say root ni no branch na wo he fa. So let's focus on the root. Branches in the fruit in there. Side effects of the root, having a firm foundations. That is it. And to me, I believe say, some party no, they are coming now will follow. That is it. Okay. And to say, people for the Nakotoyaba, and this is for the family. They didn't be bad. I didn't hear them.
Now only has to come up now you to kwa. You should be interested in some players in House of Folk.
There's interested in all preparations. I'll be any here.
Hey Debbie, you don't leave your opponent.
Say you don't care about Obi.
Really?
Exactly. Ukoskuna say you see victory last preparation. So control them to not into abo anwa. Usuru why the paper number 2 anima on hwe banku hwe ni finance or try the obeti matchro.
That's all I compare Pasco ahwe.
And no before the exams and during the exam.
I say Pasco no need the MPP NDC for
now Professor Moses na me fa ne clients o catch us o mundi o mu fiasem. O catch o mutinti o mu nkoso na mundi o mu fiasem. They never baba them form ho. What I can assure the NDC folks is that ebedu 31st January no NPP will be you be. Say Dr. Baumia na beba o. Say they Ken na beba o. Say they Aduchu na beba o. Say they Kwabena Japan na beba o. Say they Brian na beba o. Gede obi beba. Enti omunya o man ye. Na don want to papa to there. And I'm on open there and I'm going to because you be you be a formidable. You see, you flag bearer, my NPP keke. You president, I'm a Ghana. You will be deal mine in the near future. 2028 and it's for me say they are on borrowed time. We no more ye there. Our matter WhatsApp group, I'm special, OS, CS was not that they are more bu my Sada man. They are better so become some that for. See the mind which moment in time can say, someone prepare money, you see, they be in them for more. Some of your money, I could a friend say, I saw about for us in Yankopon cry, when some of my money in the Ghana for Regiment, and I'm Galamsia Moshe Beaumont man, I friends say, face cham so bambe ni ye de be amuntimi nye nyina no ni nyina Ghana for hwe ti ni be ni de eno nya mu fi asem eno ye fi asem ti mo ma e kwane ye ntra e fi ni ye fi asem na de ye wo mu say
Sompa FM
regional de NPP4 ye be ye obi a oba be di Ghana anim. It could be any of the candidates by the ya e be ye obi say I don't some doctor be mo mpe we ona be che de yin no mo kra maybe mo candidate ba ko mo se na adwen ye one mo se na adwen ye ye de nkasa nche
bibi
boatin mo se na adwen ye mo am ka ati de nkata ka sa akwa na adwen ye ye de nkasa nche obi asabi constitution man no kwaso qualify to obedi o man anim ti e be ye obi di na ba wa bra oba be so o man no ye nyi say ye yi ama NPP party ni keke ye yi obi a Ghana for Begina too. Ghana for Begina too. Na Ghana for Aswana 2028. Na the end for the year na M1 mine.
Okay.
You
share your mama launch of agriculture program school. If I no come
on. Agriculture program now launch of school no. I'm say. Playing to the gallery because I Nana Adodan Kwakufado. I'm on a launch. I friend say. Planting for food and jobs. I didn't know when I acquired the fufro. We na ya near 2 minutes gagu keke. Ya near 2 minutes gagu. Bebe call on chain them. Convoy or different few call crown. A cow mine boy is kaketwa. I don't know. Government is a continuous process. I didn't know about the own Omeshem Kina. So what teaching our home mistakes because of my waba. Sisia.
The way the tertiary and SHS.
No, say school no omunka school ni. Ombe school. And I didn't know baby a order no. On to us na person be old there. Say na be ka say me ba na be we na. Duplication of rules.
Sompa FM.
Man. There be na tuskagu. Ya tuskagu o man musa. Ya tuskagu sa. Eye say agrek no. Ya be me na hia yen. Because me kwa po dey say me ma dwi mu a. I think agrek no. And economics say say no course subjects kwa o school su. To o the bibisa e ba em say nka but once we have that already no I say come on na say nka we kopi omo na ka galamsey ya ene ama enya asase kran fa anye de ese de na nko to galamsey say no ka so ba be declare state of emergency nko declare na enya asase say na be full security no e be kosoro baby say akuafo omo hoda dai na nka friend say ya ma omo machines ene aso ne seka na ye de do no ene etwam na nka e mechanized farming na ya wo say o man panyin aba no o bibi Farmers Day na cocoa boss CEO North America. Farmers Day okoye Black Star draw. Farmers Day North America okoye Black Star draw. No say okoye cocoa boss CEO and okoye IGF president.
Randy Abe was not
in Ghana. Dabi Farmers Day no cocoa board CEO no ni Ghana.
Randy Abe.
No, but if will be no Brazil or yeah Black Star draw.
There's a Black Star draw no change.
This year only so a GFA president too. So a cocoa board.
Part of the executive committee.
Farmers Day under President Mohammed's watch. CEO of Cocoa Board Ghana Cocoa na so Ghana Cocoa na so Ghana mu free.
Serious blunder.
Farmers Day Cocoa Board CEO no ni Ghana. Cocoa Board CEO.
Na draw no mood football there but Cocoa Farmers Day CEO of Cocoa Board ni Ghana.
I say one could be a draw yenye because of call beje pedi am ni oma no.
Cocoa
Board CEO Farmers Day no ni oman mu Cocoa Board CEO Ghana adeba na abo Ghana che Cocoa. And so Cocoa Board CEO Farmers Day I could afford that. Farmers Day so say be impromptu.
This is a serious blunder.
Farmers Day impromptu. Ade a unni.
It is planned.
Ye tie ko betime next year that be Farmers Day. But this man left Ghana
for the Black Star draw.
Yes.
In America.
Yes, they act with impunity. The man don't pay on my no control and that's to be after that. Cocoa Board CEO. And say we na so can say we share we my way cause na because I launch a Greek old school
FM.
You are just playing to the gallery. Just playing to the gallery. Galam say now a school for no almost Greek no school on babontia. They will go to their farms and farm no go assassin na wife and the galam say bibia yin so na say and nobody want to say bi ono mo jai kan omo no mo dey so be CCTV so chere say we an cobra we ofin we and omo jai so na ani ate ani no mo jai because omo kan WhatsApp groups so na e control mo say car steer no e mo man no ye be say ye o man a ye nya o man na nya kwan e fa so a ye o man no no yenya o man no yenya de no
okay me da say honorable
yo
esemienu ni akabom
esemienu
baako yesi bonkrofo say mom ntoma ba me
very interesting very interesting na the interesting discussion so ba o ma henu nim say Ghana has say aba ya yeto no if you hear ne kwa ati se pendulum na de di kai no eye NDC ni MPP esase agitum say enye ye core members no nko a de ba power ye woni pa
that's positive
ye woni pa obo ho a wo ye ne den a ti se me ekoko frimpon say e be ye de pa se obetumi a convince me say minyai NDC na me nko MPP ana ye to aba me nko nkoto ma MPP e be den pa but ye obi wo ho a enne otuma NDC ade achi ana say the next time no atoma MPP depending on say economic conditions mo campaign mo ye mo policies say ya mo de ba ene normal bebre no gina so aya woto aba Dr. Baumia wono aka bibi say NDC for ye mpenasem wono ana kan ye onyame na mekan ye na ede enti na MPP NDC for ye mpenasem na de na meka no say ye omo to aba ekwa ha ebi ade achi a obeto ama NDC the next time obeto ama MPP no sa nipa no wo na determine aba ya obeba so enti no enye NDC for and MPP for emom de determine na emom others no a omotoko ha na omosa atoko ha sei no ene determine enti say floating voters ene om determine omom ba power say NDC ne beba and say MPP ene beba na Dr. Baumia the problem anything hwe senia oka NDC for ho asem na brebi wo ho a odi huro no mu ne ade ka ho no se NDC for o se ye mpeso obeba ebia na nadwene na ye ne saa obi na nadwene ebia na NDC for no pena omom pena asem ni huro a ya ohuro NDC for oh yes ne no gufa o kakura na sirie bi obeka de aka gufa ani boni friend gufa sa sirie bi no eno no NDC for no bebre no em say eye omo ahi na going forward no say Dr. Baumia o bompa ye say obi di ni ba begina na obi aya oto abade ma NDC o ma hiti de meka ni you obesesa na dwene no oto abade ya mo no Baumia eno ba bi wo ha di so hwe ni yi pa say ebi kura ne say wo ka say NDC for empo asem no NDC for ompo asem no na wo ko ka chi obi say ompo asem a o ma hene be de ne yeto aba say nipa no betumi yato aba de ama wo ebe de ne nipa no betumi yato aba ma wo enti say ebi obi yesterday na so say NDC for bebre yempe say ombeto aba ama Baumia enye say ebi a aba no aya obi beto ama Baumia na aba begina ama Dr. Baumia no ababe yomo flabera no ene obi suro enya no obi suro na mbom se ehuro se okokogina simpie so
anti mo pese on beto aba ma no asabe huru mu bio
you see like look at this economic management team okay no obobo why
we have the man
no obobo din no Jamba for
Akoto
say no ojije ho
Alan Chemate
Kikabio
Kenoforiata
do you remember even the members of the NDC economic management team no say ha sa no ma we say no nyina no wo yes
na mompe
you see wo yes no ma na wo pese wo beto aba obi otuba NDC na ya office wo ya NDC ni no ebia sa NDC abai ba okro mo amoa no enti bi kura o dani anye NDC abai ho a ebe de no aba beto aba de ama hwe omampani dada wanya ne ba bi ko eye Mills Professor Mills hwe said the gentleman behavior any said the no osi ne campaign ne hu nye MPP fo a ya ebi omo anto aba ma no the first time wahi o ma hiti de make any you
okay
ne hu nye omo ahi say oh afedi ye sa ko second time a yes say ya dwene se ye beto aba de ama Mills but say u kasa na uhuru omo u kasa na gufa na wo ye yes a na wo hu na ye hi na nye se bi obi se wo ba ohu se wo betumi awen ni nti na obi mpe wo pa na ebi a NDC fo no mpe no because ne hu nsem doso nya no so kura unim ensem aya wo de bae digital ne kokosi die ankwa nkosi hwe de to so mienu ama wo se de yenye debate
Sompa
na yibi a oka say amanu no say de be kasa o say nso de be minim sa kasa wo se yenye debate ya amanu wo ne omampani mama amanu debate de be debate waba ba ye omampani abedi akire omampani na do se wo na we economist ye the economy ya hye wonsa ye the economy hye wonsa yi one man no ma say poto to the extent say o maga na kra ya ba ye o ma sansani to the extent say ye ya bobusia kra ntimi ntua ama all the credit agencies rating agencies e dey to John status enti sa bre we say wo ba e dey asem na wo beka so obi fi say
you mun slow ba o me a
yeah
ntia
nyeta atwetwe ne say wo ba yes boy ya wa me
boy me pa honorable that is the CIA kotokone has kobobola has for na kire coach ni say mun select kwampoku na kwampoku de mo de ne ba mu a e be hye mo
wo see
ana say ye mpese kwampoku be ba be bo bi etia
wo see
etia ye
no the ball asem de say no nko na we politics na ya nipa no aya oba no bibi oba be ka wo ball de say bo wi de wo he de wa he
there be na politics na I just say in another effect no in another issue no musro ba umiana
oh ye nsro ba umia che say NDC fo no ani na enyi no ho menka so obi tai no say ye ka se obi tai no
a na man be lusu ai
oh na so lusu a obi mfa ho ye ka ne say
so me na me honorable me no wo lawyer getia me no wo akansi as my strategy should help me to keep quiet for you to come and select your team so I can beat you well.
Ghana no obi a title no so babiana the next elections or Taiwan Professor Mos AAB Ronaldo AAB
Kufo
President Kufo
your mama
so AAB nti omunim say now NDC for no
omunim say here
elections na yebeba no e dey am the new person ebeba
a new person so first time we win it
that is it and only ehu a abo omo a omo ye do mo ye but so omo ipa omo nya oman ni ye said omo ye die and ehu a na be so abo omo
okay man
oman the tie ni say mo ni nyina ya assumptions the first assumption is say na mo adwene so free senior high school free senior say na mo kan no anu betumi abo omo mo win enti even mo di free senior high school no etimi win election 2016 no na mo de to aso win 2020 no na me say 2024 ebetimi abo mo ebi no wrong assumption anya dwuma ye to so bi o mo fi say Dr. Bawumia oye Muslim ni mama onye Muslim enti mo mu bebre no mo ka kire Muslim fo say o mo nto aba mo eni zongo fo eno so wrong assumption anya yie ye to so bi o Dr. Bawumia eno ma bi o ka ye te say Palugu Dam no mo no ma ya o mo ye pa ade oba ye o mo abai ade kese pa wa ya o de abo anof ne ebusa ne de o kan na mse wahu sa video no se pekura yenyi and say Palugu Dam wo mo timi aye no so Palugu Dam mo timi aye sa no ma we nyina abeku atua no se obi ese o ye mpeso o de ne ba se ebia o se ono ne stage no o ye no eche se obi mpese ye de Dr. Bawumia ba ebia ne Dr. Bawumia kura na obi mpeso ohu nanimu na nye se bia obi fi se wo de ne ba ye be ne hu ohu se NDC ni bia adwene ye ne se Dr. Bawumia ensese bia MPP fo de ne ba ebi kura ne nanim kura na obi mpeso ohu na nye se bia ana me kan
I know but you share program no your time
because NDC fo no bebre no se wa ye na adwene se aba no kro on to ma NDC a ebe ye dey so obetu dia ma Dr. Bawumia. Okay. That is the problem there.
Let's look at the farm school agriculture program no.
Yeah, school agriculture program no there, you know, say the papa. Me gidi say betimi aboa. Who say agric no dey bia ye dey anoka. Say oh agric no eno na ye the engine of the economy. Eno mo dey ade. And so agri school ho na me kwai da o. agri college Kumasi ha say agri college ba ko pɛ ne ɛwɔ ha and ho na me kwai da me nam a ya me komi fie ko hwɛ ɛhɔ awere ho so ɛyɛ one of the neglected schools and this are normal way na ye kan ye ntimi hwɛ se e betumi ɛyɛ adwuma na agri na ya o ka se schools no ye me de me sere ne se nye se bi e ko kan kwada na gum ene kwada no kora mbo no mo adesua aye bibi ɛyɛ wɔ hɔ na mom ye nhwɛ se school no wasase ne sampa o betumi de aboa ama omo aduane sem no ne ade betumi ɛyɛ yi a ye nhwɛ se ye bɛyɛ ba me de me mpene se
oh kan kwala na gum
na focus no nyina koye se ye kodafuo na nkwada na adesua no atofom because school no bi wɔ hɔ omo asase pa ye nhwɛ se e bi betumi ya aboa ama se o betumi anya aduane kakra na o mutumi de supplement o mo aduane o di o school a enya de bone universities no bebre o mo won sase tech say sase ye da wonya sem ketwa ye kire o tech sase a ye da hɔ a ye mfa nya hwi a kakraka na ti ye betumi de bi aye afu a mi giri se enya bone ada a champon ba ya o ka say operation feed yourself mfikyire ye nye garden enu me ade say very successful enti enya de aye ase so obi adwen e ka na say oh we de enya hwe to say de me offer ase kan because e betumi abo anya bi ekura universities bebrebe e de omo nsa ase bebrebe ene secondary schools bebrebe ene omo nsa ase bebrebe se de bi eye agrika bi gidi say ade papa na fe ye de agrike ho adwene ene hu nimde ne ade no ye de atiti nkwada no bi say ade papa
but as your mama ni dwamra sister kidi glamour and wardrobe tonsa fre busia nyina family affair baby items back to school items and kwala no ma kwan bi school akwantade ne mpabo mo de beko afi opemfo o list a wo de ko wo de wo de pia bontin de wo de kwa sorry wedding engagement outdoor ene ntade a wo do ni nyina mema shoes papa bi mema jackets papa bi blazers boxers jeans shirts ni nyina bi ho afi enkwala no so shoes ni o mo bags bro nyen ne wabusua ni nyina be me hye no maame hye ne nkwala no so hye ahojo Atinga Junction ye ne Omni Basic Bank edi hwe ni mu sanso so na akopie mu ahensan kwan so a ye ne China Mall baby a Dormaster dan 0245 749199 0245 749199 afei Polytank se bronyai wo chade na ye chade ana ye chama na dimu ubenya niema de ama wo ma ubenya niema bebre we giving you all manner of surprise gifts na eba de store nsio fie dia edini e ba kope Polytank ye wo sumo anase sumo supermodel ye wo hippo rambo enso so e wo ho Polytank de buy once and for all choose Polytank is the original and always the best Polytank trusted by Agrobeto and Abeku and we say Papa no Akasa Kingdom Heba yen and I de a garlic bitters in the capsule di kamba Ghana if you be dunumni ye wo a Okaisi drag lane pharmacists near bar shops or Ghana you now be near bi Kingdom garlic a bois Emma stroke count akumaya de be free ho cholesterol nom ne ade srade a hye wo nipadua mu ma no be free ho afei mreye ewompem ene bema untimi sipinsi wo hia Kingdom ginseng capsules afei tremendous capsules yes oba kodonkua oba kosie kuma afei menstrual disorders any bad odor any vaginal infections nyina no eyi free ho no mo frey was 0597298855 0597298855 and 0559761144 Jabin Rabank I the Asempa loan aba or the Asempa na sanyom no ekoma NDC for pa anti we NDC ni akọ Jabin Rabank we MPP ni akọ Jabin Rabank we dey all the party color be any ho Jabin Rabank na ebema Asempa loan partial o watch o niam bia ba wo koyi anase o se gusu bia ba bronyan o tu se wo hia kakra wi dia asoso dia ka honko ejoso fumeso asepe Roman Hill Adishman New Road atimatim aboaso bonwire onwe ana Dwaben na ye new baby no de ya tonsu Atonsu market high school junction wa ena ye bie ye new branch frey ewo 0544 745856 0544 yeah savings account current account fixed deposit microfinance susu ye ton shares afei dachin kwaladinti investment so ewo ho ye de obapa loan ya said that ahyehya ma ema bomodina nefa ho gimo 21st clinic the sciatica experts about pain from the waist under buttock through to the foot and now with page she said come on 82 bomod na say obetu anamonde wani a kire 21st clinic ehwa adabraka edan ya Sompa wo mu first floor and ground floor enya no kwa yade bia free utire so bepem na ase all manner of diseases and sicknesses for bedayen yade bibidro kan laboratories scan services massage and machine treatment yade betu sciatica no every honomo na o sciatic nerve no ho adwe no 15 branches wo Ghana hanomo Kumasi Obuasi Enkran Sunyan Nkranza Tachima ne dia ka nyina for 0540311311 0540311311 0249311311 Liberty Conference. Nyame ya domo a memene da beni na ochi pepepe ewo Jubilee Park. Mi di nyame manim na yakoma ne din no so ne asori no ne ada no ase. Ankrato eba eye Apostle Gate. Santo so ena Minister Kwame Jedu, Minister Kwaku Jesse and Minister SK Frimpong. Ame am so mi giremu amedi chi ame bra na awurade ebehira awurade ayeye ni nanim onyam be daddy se dwumadie u pese wota ya chi na aboye na ye momo line ye 0249640993 obetimi edi bibi aboa 0249640993 na bibia akoso kama ensuo de no ane kangen and magic drinking water nunumbi na enko yemau se wonya kangen a refreshing. It offers numerous benefits. It will rich minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron. Afei unuma optimal hydration into the be ensure now. A power bay we here antioxidant into unuma junso suye ma free umo. A body cells no bind to me bo remu ye emma. The be a can prevent cancer. Afei heart, liver, kidney, any other tissues ni organs ni nyina no ebo ho ban. Breman UGC Atafuni Road and Abawa Route to Honomo na obehu yen. Your number is 0241449191. And there former President John Ejekum Kufuor na wota. In fear you're watching sons to papa ni ne sen ni bibia function so well. Nyame hyirawo. Video wo watch some of mine why you be in fear you're watching song and so no ho den no ho den or kasa imuti chese you're a good man you paid your dues to Mother Ghana now if he said no so and then nyame afaswa in fear you're watching song papa go for nyame shira Namisha. Sompa ejuma efo nyina ya mautrim kwa. Afei my own mom. My sweet mom. Lady Reverend Anita Kusibuatin, the wife of Prophet Victor Kusibuatin of Power Chapel Worldwide. And I no pay the mautrim kwa. I want you to know that I love you. Happy birthday to you, Reverend Anita Kusibuatin. It's also coming from Akosia Somoy Japan of Sompa. I know your husband. We go here Facebook. No Papa Tro. I said the day they be go. Hey, be Papa Kusibuati, romantic man. Dr. Francis Adumako, MPP Ashanti Regional Organizer, and there you are. That Yama Utrin Kwa, Matisse Oko Pre Regional Secretary. Eradinton Supengusma. Irina Nomensa, we a student of Kwadaso Agri College. Skyface or Mountain Kwa. Johnson Opoku of Yinahini, Opapa Bronze in Berimo Drew Mountain Kwa. Mr. Festus Nanaya Amwa Santi, CEO of Amo First Group of Companies. Today is your birthday. From your brother Evans and Jessica Paul for Tech FM. Baby Che Pokuya, aka Mami May of Virgin Pop Asante Achim. And a free Honorable Sakodi Agogo Newtown Assembly member also Eba Ruth Bemakusi of Sepase. Where in Okosei or so Martin Dino Usu of KNUST. Way free appear every Eric appear. But I don't say Munya is Adino. Ubuso Bidina, no abon a said name and son or abon English name, any Christian name. It's wrong. What's your name? I say appear Eric. Wait. Some go see or he know. Utu a rare will be son of Usu Dina. You should say Dina Usu. Yeah, Chirama still. So more failure than I. Buana said name need kind in here. You almost say David. It's so erroneous. First name is first name. And your friend first name, I'll go say name first. And Kalani Bebre Joyce Owusu Joyce. Ernest Opoku Opoku Ernest. Okasa Obiabe unse unye educated. And Tinkabio. Detective Sergeant Opoku Mensa Bacano Police Station. Bacano. Cape Coast. And there I would Eric Hanai so much. Okay, let's wrap up. Now, remember, I will tell you your final words, lawyer Nketia. If there's an issue you want to bring up in the next 2-3 minutes. Yes, son. That's your mic, no, also.
I Ghana for people in Bayadrin say officer of the special prosecutor, you maintain. But personnel na bia I say sacram kakra na say na alamisi amidu kan say yes like infrastructure no man. I believe say now they don't complain.
Oh no they don't complain.
Now they are covered because say 150 million Ghana
58 million
8 million cedis a year for to run an office.
Eish.
Then they bad down to for Seska and he say is the Seska mount I skated for far ahead of time. That's it. Ningina muno. In for so be in office so there. Then I think say something must be done about it. And I Omanhene Mahama so on way na sa duplication of rules no. Institutions na wo no. On shemu kina. Na yenya say na esako create one for the for as to create job for the boys. Na ya ko create sa no mano emwa. Nti de betimi aka.
All right, honorable.
Yo, me kakakra na afa or more candidate no ho before say me ba
I'm a candidate be.
Oh, say Dr. Baumia.
Na Baumia na also go be. Hey be.
You see the attorney almost say the almost ka say NDC for yeah say be person no ba no me dey me no e bia responses no e na e kire sa but adwene aya nipa no de cars ade e bia na Baumia na o mo mpese o mo hu na nim na nye say bia all right. Now, one for the almost can be a MPP chairman. What is my work? Beer. Sans some to be or cry, and anchor, percent. One more crack so no more. Well, see, Dr. Baumia, dear, 100 and will lose 1.2 million votes. Until I know they are here more because one year, if been to about or no, come member say me would you but I know my day, and ya dear Bebois. Kisia Jabing, Media, the American say, as I say, or call Parliament. Nancy Bio, Kukuiano. The Edika, no one should say, or buy no prosecutions, I what me, aye. Ya, and part what me a dingunimu, monomium. Sika, ya what me a jeer, Kisia Jabing, won't me uno. The Atosumi and Sa said, ya, may offer see a cano or kaye. Say, oh, see, a deeper be 90 meal armwa, and I should be na armwa, a mark and of Riata, 80 million. One chile, baby, a or koya or car say, oh, can of Riata, member say, oko. A someone, ho, intimonfia swonko. Na, say a year immigration, say a be a night, say a year, a funny thing. Please, if you and now say you could, but more officials know, and so you know. Yeah, and non tino can offer at a ya quack or yeno, Kisia being yen friend non concochre. afe Martin Pebu allegations titi ya no kura efa sika bi ya wokoko gi free adubu ahen ho you see former minister of state for minister for economic planning finance and economic planning
deputy minister
initially no a deputy minister but actually
deputy minister.
No, actually,
Minister of State at the presidency.
Yes, at the presidency.
Finance.
Minister of State. Enti, sa no money na on konko chiri mu. Na institution no there, yeah, friends office of the special prosecutor and there. Me name offer say adwene say etna ho aye, ye nipa ya obetumi aye ni yi a, ebetumi aboa ye nyina. Na se nipa no be ni yi a, nye se bi abaya ya afiri so emu nipa. E na akotata wo mo. Abaye no aya wo so no. Se no man koye wo mu a say office of the special prosecutor no otimi ye na adwuma yie mo obi ehun say of fighting corruption me de me nye nipa ye befa no a ya ogina TV so any radio so o kasa no wo so no keke nya right ehun asem ni
okay ebusa
nyom to say ankwanoma nya ho ani
ya grace wa ankwanoma nka fa she mame
obetumi aye adwuma ni
na nka ye mfanye kisi ajabe tata na ye hwe da obeko parliament because when parliament subpoenas or when parliament calls, you cannot say you will not. So, yeah. Nimre so anoko.
Na fe hunahuna.
Ankwa numbe, bo anumbe.
Ma police so jafo hunahuna num ne ade no.
Time I know nyam frame Martin Pebu no. Na yenti say yempam na yenti.
Say eno na kedo eno na kojo ponkroma say. Koto de ne bodwe.
Yes.
Those times are na yem frame Martin Pebu a yen detaining no. They were shouting from the rooftop, but the NDC did not listen.
Yes.
Sir, they have weaponized bail bonds, and they are detaining people unnecessarily. But the NDC did not listen. Now, because it is coming from a friend, the firm called closest friend in the Okikem, and that day, because people are even laughing.
Ghana so opposition the state institutions are against you and you will be normal but the waban no
some time ago the state institution were being used by the same MPP to harass NDC. Now the NDC is paying back, but this time look as if Omudi expanding on. Omudi and Oma Shemkina. Ghanaians are not happy with this kind of arrest and let the law has its way. Don't use the communist inferior tactics. Detaining somebody with 800 million Ghana cedis worth of bail bond. Or go far away.
And you started playing that all kinds of section 96 of Act 30. I see bill and punish you.
By this time, that's what is happening. I know they may matter.
Bill no. It's at the discretion of the judge. But discretion be as no.
So why is it that the judges are also kowtowing too? Because now judges say judge there, you can't blame government. I think now judges net to also see our billboards no more mano. I hear so much idea ehuaba. It means the judges are also playing a role.
I'm paying by reset agenda. CG, if I can be so in any media, you know, CG cry now judge out baby.
Okay. But your mama take his head,